Hello, my beautiful people. This is Valerie. This is how you do it. I have some shrimp. I have some shrimp sauce. And I have 2-pack of ramen noodles. And I'm going to make a dish with that. The noodles have been cooked. I'm going to pour them in here so I can mix everything up. And of course they swell if there's any juice left over, so I did leave some juice in there. Get the scissors and cut this open and pour the shrimp in. There's juice in here from the thorn, so I'm just going to throw the shrimp in like this. All in there. They're beautiful. They were pre-cooked, deveined. Only thing left on them is the tail. Throw them in there. Look at that. And then take this and drizzle it. I'm just going to pour it all in there with all those beautiful vegetables. Use the whole bottle. And then let it sit and marry. See those beautiful herbs and spices on top of that? And I will take a picture of this and put it at the end of this video once all of it is soaked in, and then you will see the finished product. And this is Val, but this is how you do it. Before I insert the picture in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button. This is another idea for dinner. And I talk to all you beautiful, beautiful, beautiful people on the next video. Bye-bye now. It's your finished result. And I did use 2 more packs of ramen noodles to suck up that juice from that bottle of sauce that I pulled in here. You can always add or subtract noodles. That's an easy thing to do, but this is Val. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I thank you. Bye-bye now.